I am going to unbox this box today. It's from GP Games and hope you enjoy this video. First thing I see is stuff. Next thing I see is like this super cool puzzle. Oh, the Huzzle puzzle, I guess. And it's level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. I already saw it on Instagram, I think. This amazing box. And it's heavy. But I'm not going to open it yet. This box I'm going to open in the end. So, oh cool! There are also like stickers. A lot of stuff, I'm so excited. More puzzles! The cylinder, it's level 4 stars. I think I am going to make a lot of videos. 5 stars. It's the padlock. Oh, so cool! Take it again. The next thing, what's in the box? What's in here? Those are like the shields for cards. I like them to keep everything safe. Oh, another sticker. Woo! Another puzzle. Slider. There's another pack. Oh, I love this one. I love this one. Ah! This is 1 star, so I guess I have to start with the 1 star. Cast love. 4, 5, 6. So 2. Wow. Let's see. Level 2 puzzle. Snow. Oh, it's like a snowflake. Put it here. Aqua. Cast aqua. Level 5. It looks like very difficult. Like this, I guess. I'm really happy with this. So all those puzzles are from GP Games. Here they are. Wow, they have like amazing cards too, and like puzzles, playing cards. So I'm going to make a video of each of them. So you're going to see how I'm going to fix that. Yeah, this is the first video, it's the unboxing, and I still have to unbox this one. Oh, love the feeling. How do you spell?
Cork.
Cork. It's a cork bag. No, it's a cork box. I love the cork box. First I'm going to take a look. Oh. I love it. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 decks in here. Keuzestress. That means choice stress. The first deck in the box is Be playing cards. I'm going to unbox those 2 so you can see it in like other videos. So now the second deck. White. It's the first deck from Chris Ramsey. Next one. No way. It's from Chris Ramsey too. I don't know this one, but I really love it. And it's from Bicycle. The Bicycle Cardistry cards. Falcon cards. They're their specialty from GP Games. It's amazing. So then, the next one. The Joker and the Thief. Oh, cool. Next one. It's the Stud. So the next deck is the Cherry Casino. And they're amazing. I don't know this one. What is this? Invisible playing cards? For real? Yeah, they're super heavy, so I don't know. And then the last but not the least. I don't know this one. It's from Vanda Cards. I love the unicorn on the side. But I don't know the name of this deck. Does anyone know? Let me know in the comments if you like. I always like need boxes to put my cards in. I'm going to film some awesome videos, so if you want to keep updated, please follow me and subscribe or like or share or whatever you want to do with this video. I'm really excited about this and I can't wait to solve all those puzzles and film like everything. So thanks a lot for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye! Bye.